Transactor Cloud is a service where we host your LabManager database on our server, and your users, and optionally customers, can connect via a web browser or our client app on Windows or Mac. Logging in via a web browser or the client app is simple. In both cases, the user must provide their email address and password. Once these are entered, they are then sent a one-time authentication code via email or text message, which they must enter. This is called two-factor authentication. This ensures access to your data is secure. Once the code has been entered, the user is shown all the LabManager apps they have access to. Click on an app to open it. The LabManager main form appears, and the user can work on LabManager as if it was installed on their own computer, including printing to their local printers, sending emails, and adding attachments. Control over user permissions has been increased, so the LabManager can ensure each user has the necessary access to LabManager's features. Optionally, the lab can give customers access to LabManager via their own login, which is linked to their practice or dentist account on LabManager. Practice and dentist accounts require a subscription, and our support team can configure access and get your customers started. Once a customer has access, they will be able to view their orders and history, as well as post pre-booked orders for your approval, and add attachments and notes. The lab will receive notifications of new jobs, attachments and notes via the counter on the toolbar. Here, the flashing notification counter indicates one of this lab's customers has performed an action. We can click on the counter to view what's come in. Double-click on a notification to bring that job onto the main form. You can delete a notification by highlighting the row and pressing the delete key on the keyboard. Here we see a pre-booked job sent to us by our cloud-enabled dentist Mr. Beresford. He has added a description of the services required, and also added an attachment. You can open the attachment by double-clicking it. Depending on what the dentist has sent you, use either the prescription details or the attachments to add the products to the job. You can even send and receive messages with the dentist to confirm details. The dentist, or the lab, can request a pickup, and this will appear in the notifications list, as well as the messages box, and the location of the job. The pickup request will be added to the delivery runs report. Once you have finished checking the job details, book it in. The dentist will see the changes on their screen and will be notified the job has been booked in. Once you complete the job, the dentist will be notified.